Are you looking for the best home 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best home 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer invites creators into a calm and confident making journey where ideas feel valued. Each project begins with a sense of possibility, helping imagination feel closer and more real. Creative minds often search for trust during building moments, and this experience supports that emotional need through steady progress and quiet focus. Design exploration becomes comforting rather than overwhelming. Time spent creating feels meaningful, allowing thoughts to slow and hands to guide vision with care. This atmosphere encourages learning through gentle experimentation, making mistakes feel like lessons instead of limits. Confidence grows naturally as personal ideas take physical form. Finished objects carry emotional weight because effort feels respected. Shapes appear thoughtful and intentional, giving pride to the maker. That pride builds attachment, motivating further creativity and deeper involvement. Seeing tangible results strengthens belief and skill, turning curiosity into dedication. Momentum stays alive throughout the process. Waiting periods feel shorter, keeping excitement present without pressure. This balance helps maintain motivation and reduces frustration, which many creators quietly fear. Emotional satisfaction becomes part of every completed piece. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer fits into a lifestyle built around creativity and patience. It supports personal expression without demanding complexity. Makers feel understood, encouraged, and capable. Each creation reflects imagination, care, and growth, turning simple ideas into meaningful results. This emotional connection inspires continued exploration and long-term commitment, making creativity feel rewarding, peaceful, and deeply personal. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer speaks quietly to people who dream about turning thoughts into something real. Many creators feel stuck between desire and action. This experience removes that weight, letting imagination breathe freely. When creative energy flows without interruption, motivation rises naturally. Time matters deeply during personal projects. Waiting often drains excitement, while smooth progress builds happiness. Watching ideas take shape quickly brings emotional reward that encourages continued exploration. Confidence grows with every completed object, strengthening belief in personal skill and vision. Precision brings peace of mind. Clean results reflect inner dedication, creating pride that stays long after work ends. That pride fuels curiosity, pushing creators to try new forms, textures, and expressions. Learning becomes enjoyable rather than stressful, turning practice into pleasure. Quiet operation supports focus. A calm environment allows deeper connection with creativity. Thoughts remain clear, hands steady, and emotions balanced. This harmony transforms printing sessions into meaningful moments rather than mechanical routines. Automatic assistance offers comfort. Less attention on adjustments means more space for imagination. Flow stays uninterrupted, allowing creativity to feel natural and rewarding. Trust develops when effort feels respected. Creality Ender 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer becomes part of a creative lifestyle built on confidence, curiosity, and satisfaction. Choosing this journey represents belief in personal potential and commitment toward growth. Ownership symbolizes freedom to explore ideas fully, shaping dreams into reality with joy and assurance. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer connects imagination with reality in a deeply satisfying way. It is made for people who enjoy seeing ideas grow into something meaningful. Each creation begins as a simple thought and slowly becomes a solid form, building excitement and pride with every layer. This experience feels calming, inspiring, and deeply personal. Creative minds often feel limited by time or tools, but this printer brings a sense of freedom and flow. Work feels smooth and focused, allowing ideas to move forward without frustration. The process encourages patience and curiosity, helping users stay engaged and motivated throughout every project. It feels rewarding to watch designs come to life with consistency and care. Color adds emotion to every result. Finished pieces look expressive and full of character, reflecting mood, intention, and creativity. The visual richness makes each object feel special rather than ordinary. Seeing color take shape during production builds anticipation and satisfaction, strengthening the emotional bond between creator and creation. The generous working area supports bigger dreams. Users can explore complex concepts, useful household items, artistic models, or thoughtful gifts without feeling restricted. This open space nurtures confidence and encourages experimentation, helping skills develop naturally over time. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer is not simply a machine. It becomes part of the creative journey. It supports growth, imagination, and self-expression, helping users feel capable and inspired. Every finished piece represents effort, learning, and achievement, turning creativity into something real and emotionally rewarding. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra S1 speedy 3-dimensional printer invites creators into a space where focus feels natural and creativity feels respected. It supports people who enjoy quiet moments of making, where ideas slowly turn into something real and meaningful. Each session feels calming and purposeful, helping imagination flow without pressure. Watching a concept grow layer by layer brings satisfaction that feels personal and deeply rewarding. The experience feels balanced and steady, creating trust between user and machine. That trust allows creative minds to relax and explore without hesitation. Time spent creating feels peaceful, not rushed or stressful. This gentle rhythm encourages consistency, turning creativity into a habit rather than a challenge. Every project becomes an opportunity to learn, improve, and feel proud. Precision adds emotional value to every finished object. Results appear clean and thoughtful, reflecting patience and intention. This clarity builds confidence, making creators feel capable and motivated to try new ideas. Each successful outcome strengthens belief in personal skill and creative potential. Speed brings momentum that keeps inspiration alive. Ideas do not feel distant or delayed. Instead, progress feels visible and exciting, which fuels enthusiasm. That sense of forward movement keeps energy high and prevents frustration, allowing passion to stay strong from start to finish. Anycubic Kobra S1 speedy 3-dimensional printer becomes part of a creative lifestyle. It supports focus, expression, and growth in a quiet and reliable way. More than a tool, it feels like a supportive presence that values effort and imagination. Every creation carries emotion and purpose, leaving users feeling accomplished, inspired, and connected to what they build. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer transforms imagination into reality, offering creators a sense of joy and accomplishment with every project. It is designed for people who enjoy seeing their ideas take physical form, turning quiet thoughts into objects that can be touched and admired. Each print becomes a journey of discovery, where every layer built brings pride and emotional satisfaction. The process feels steady and reliable, helping users stay focused and calm throughout the creation. Time spent printing becomes an enjoyable part of the day, where creativity flows naturally without interruption. The consistent rhythm fosters trust in the machine, allowing long projects to feel manageable and encouraging ongoing experimentation. Each completed print strengthens confidence and motivates the pursuit of more ambitious ideas. Precision brings emotional reward to each piece. Finished models feel clean, intentional, and thoughtfully made, reflecting care and attention. Watching designs appear exactly as envisioned inspires pride and encourages exploration of more complex and imaginative creations. Each successful print becomes a tangible achievement, reinforcing the user's sense of capability and creativity. Momentum keeps inspiration alive. Projects progress smoothly, turning ideas into reality quickly and efficiently, which maintains excitement and curiosity. The experience feels dynamic and motivating, making every print session rewarding from start to finish. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer becomes more than a tool, it becomes a partner in creativity. It supports focus, personal growth, and self-expression. Every completed creation carries emotion, effort, and achievement, leaving users feeling inspired, accomplished, and deeply connected to the work they bring to life with their own hands.